Students, how you are all? I hope you are all fine by the grace of God and enjoying the holidays with your parents and your siblings, isn't it? I too fine by the grace of God. God will be with us very soon. We are going to be free from this coronavirus, isn't it? Okay, just before we enter into today's class, I want to say few things for you and for your parents' attention. Look at the board carefully. Who are all can listen this class? The students who are all studying in 8th standard A1 or A2, A3 or else A section, B section, C section, 8th standard students can listen this class. Then this is the class number 5 in this academic year, isn't it? Okay, now what are the exercise that we have completed is exercise number 1.1, 1.2 and 2.1. But today we are going to see exercise number 2.2. Okay, then today is the maths class. What is the date today? Yeah, 29/7/2020, isn't it? This is to make you to alert about the class which is going now. Note down it. Students, as I told, today we are going to see exercise number 2.2, first Roman letter, first problem. This is, if you bought the book, come to this exercise, look at the problem, look at the shape. See, this shape is not look like any other geometrical shape, isn't it? I cannot say this is square, I cannot say this is a rectangle, I cannot say this is a semicircle, like that I cannot say anything. So I cannot use any formula to find out the perimeter and area for this one, isn't it? If I draw a line like this, then I can consider this shape is rectangle and this shape is semicircle. I can consider like that, it's okay. But the given shape is not like that, isn't it? Okay, now we will find out the perimeter. How we have to find out the perimeter? The distance covered by me from the starting point to the ending point, that is called perimeter. Last year itself I have told you, isn't it? So if I am going to start here, from here I have to come here for 10 meter, then from here into there 7 meters, totally 17 meter, from here to there 10 meters. So that's only I have written here, 10 meter plus 7 meter plus again 10 meters, so totally 27 meter. So from here to come to that place I have to go 27 meter, but I do not know what is the distance for this semicircle. I do not know what is the distance to cross this semicircle. This is not a rectangle, just simply I drawn and shown you, isn't it? Okay, so for that we know, for all other geometrical shapes we can say perimeter, but for only circle we have to say circumference of the circle. Perimeter of the circle also same, circumference of the circle also same. Okay, we know the formula. Perimeter of the circle is equal to 2 pi r unit, but here we don't want circle, we have only the semicircle only we have, so that perimeter of the semicircle is equal to, I am going to divide the formula by 2 because half of that only, isn't it? So 1 by 2 into 2 pi r. Again I have to cancel this and this, 2 to cancel, then what will be there? Pi r. Pi I know, what is pi? 22/7. R I do not know, isn't it? R only I have to find out. But when you look at the diagram, now you consider this is rectangle. Okay, now if this side is 7 centimeter, then that side also will be 7 meter, isn't it? So I have to put 7. Am I right? First you make it fast, write it soon. So here we need to find out what is radius first. We need to find out what is radius. From where I can bring the radius of the semicircle? See, this part is look like a semicircle. If I join a line like this, that line will be a diameter of the semicircle, not a radius of the semicircle. Look at this carefully. This line will be diameter of the semicircle. So what would be the radius? Radius would be 7 by 2 is equal to 3.5 meter, isn't it? Radius will be 3.5. So here I have to put 22 by 7 into 3.5 meter. Make it fast. Only 3 seconds only I am going to give. Make it fast. Now I want to pursue the problem from the last step, from where I left. You see, 22 by 7 into 3.5 meter. This radius is taken from this diameter. It's okay now. 3.5 is in 1 times, is this 2 times. So that what we will get, 22 by 2, we will get what? 11 meter, isn't it? So from this part to only from this part we are getting 27 meter. For this semicircle path, perimeter is 11 meter. So total perimeter we have to find out. Total perimeter is 27 meters plus 11 meter. So totally 38 meter. This is the perimeter of the whole figure. From the starting point, coming here, then going there, again coming to the same point. What is the distance I have to travel? I have to travel 38 meter. Make it fast. Then we are going to find out what is the shaded region. How we are going to find out the shaded region. It's okay, students. We found perimeter for the given shape. Now we are going to find out area. How to find out the area of the shaded region? Only this region is shaded, but this region, semicircle region, is not shaded. Clearly understand that. First of all, you have to frame the formula. First we have to decide your plan. How you are going to find out the shaded region? See, for that I have planned like this. I have to find out the area of the rectangle first. From that area I am going to subtract the area of the semicircle, so that easily I can get this shaded region, remaining part, isn't it? So I framed the argument like this. You look at the argument. Area of the rectangle, very simplest form I have written here. Area of the rectangle, from that I have to minus area of the semicircle. So first of all I need to find out the area of the rectangle. So area of the rectangle is, well, you know the formula. What is the area of the rectangle formula? Length into breadth square unit, isn't it? So what is the length? Length is given by 10 meter, isn't it? Similarly, breadth is given by 7 meter. So we know the formula. Area is equal to what? What is the area? Length into breadth. So length into breadth. So 10 sevens are 70. Meter into meter, meter square. Okay, now I found the area of the rectangle. I found and kept, that is 70 meters square. The next thing I need to find out what is the area of the semicircle, then only I can subtract it, isn't it? Okay, now look at the board. Area of the semicircle, we know the formula. What is the area of the semicircle formula? 1 by 2 into pi r square unit. Okay, so here we need to have r radius, but we already we found that what is r. What is r? When we calculate the perimeter, we found it. R is 3.5 meter. Okay, now we will apply the formula. 1 by 2 is as it is. Then instead of 5, 22 by 7 into r square. R square means radius square. That is 3.5 meter the whole square, isn't it? I have no place here to write furtherly, so that you copy down soon. I give only 10 seconds. Make it fast. Okay, look at the step from the last step where I left. I have written the same step here also, but here 3.5 meter the whole square. The whole square means what I have to do? I have to write twice. See, 1 by 2 is as it is, then 22 by 7 is as it is, then 3.5 meter whole square. So I wrote as twice, 3.5 meter into 3.5 meter. Now 2 is in 1 times, but in 22 11 times. Similarly 3.5 is 1 times, but in 7 3.5 is in 2 times. Then this 3.5 meter will be as it is. So here 11 is there, in down 2 is there. So 11 by 2 into this 1 meter into meter, it will become meter square, and the 3.5 will be as it is. Again I am going to divide the 11 by 2. When I divide the 11 by 2, I will get 5.5, isn't it? This 3.5 meter square will be as it is. We have to put meter square, should not miss. Okay, now after that we are going to do the rough calculation. We are going to calculate 5.5 into 3.5. First we will do that without decimal. So 55 into 35. These are all the things you only have to do. Simple things, just you do it and see. 5 5s are 25. I will put here 5 remaining 2. Then again 5 5s are 25. Again it will become 27, like that only. You do and see. Then after that, so our answer is 19.25. So I have written here the area of the semicircle is 19.25 meters square, isn't it? So what is the step is remaining to do? We need to subtract the area of the semicircle from the area of the rectangle. I am going to do it now. Make it fast. Copy down. It's okay. Now you look at the board very clearly. According to our argument, area of the rectangle minus area of the semicircle. Already we have found that area of the rectangle is 70 meters square and the area of the semicircle is 19.25 meters square. So we are going to subtract at all. You only have to do, see, here is the decimal, so we have to put another 2 0. Then we have to borrow, here is 7. So when you borrow 1, it will become 10. After that it will become 6, it will become 9, isn't it? From here when you borrow, it will become 9. From here when you borrow, it will become 9. So at last 10 will be there. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 9, 0. 6 minus 1. So 50.75 meters square. This is the area of the given figure. Therefore, the final solution is area of the given figure is 50.75 meters square, isn't it? So how we can give the final answer? Because they asked what is the perimeter and area. So already we have found that final answer it will be like this: perimeter is equal to 38 meter and the area of the given figure is 50.75 meters square. I hope you are all understood correctly, isn't it? So that if there is any doubt, you can call and ask. Make it copy. Students, we will go to see the next problem from exercise number 2.2, second Roman letter, first problem. There is one small mistake in this page number 55, exercise number 2.2, second problem. They are asking us find the area of the shaded part, but that is wrong. Wrongly it is printed. We need to find out the area of the unshaded part only we are going to find out. We are not going to find out the area of the shaded part. We are going to find out the area of the unshaded part. You see, this is the given diagram. Here one quadrant is there, here there one quadrant, there one quadrant, there one quadrant. So how many quadrants are there? There are 4 quadrants. Okay. When you unite the 4 quadrants, you can get the circle like this, isn't it? When you try to join the 4 quadrants, you will get a circle. Okay. Now, so the circle will be like this. They gave the side what? 10 centimeter. Okay. So the diameter of the circle also will be 10 centimeter only, isn't it? If the diameter of the circle is 10 centimeter, then what would be the radius? Half of that. It must be 5 centimeter, isn't it? It's okay. First of all, we will have one plan how we are going to solve the problem. Okay. Now, according to my plan, I am going to find the area of the square. I am going to find out now first. From there I am going to subtract the area of the circle, so that very easily I can get the unshaded region, area of the unshaded region. This is the unshaded region. After I united the 4 quadrant, the unshaded region will be like this. Now they are asking that only. What is the area of the unshaded region? Okay, what is the procedure we are going to follow in this is area of the square we need to find out. From that area of the square we need to subtract area of the circle. Okay, first of all we are going to find out the area of the square first. We know the formula. Okay, kindly notice here, note down, area of the square formula is a square. A is nothing but side of the square. Side of the square we will call A. So side into side or A square. Okay, now so according to the side of the square 10 centimeter, now A is 10 centimeter. So area of the square formula is A square. That means instead of A I have to put 10 centimeter square, isn't it? I cannot write furtherly. Copy down soon. Only 10 seconds I am going to give. Make it fast. pursue the problem from the last step. The last step is area is equal to 10 centimeter the whole square. So whole square means I have to write twice, 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter, isn't it? Now 10 tens are 100 centimeter the whole square. So that now we found that area of the square is 100 centimeter. Area of the square is 100 centimeter. I have to find in further what is the area of the circle. Make it fast. I'm going to give only 5 seconds. Make it fast. It's okay, students. Then we have come to the next part now. We need to find out the area of the circle, isn't it? I have drawn the circle like this. Okay, so according to the diagram, given diagram, what was the side of the square? The same thing is the diameter. The side of a square was 10 centimeter, so the diameter also 10 centimeter. So if the diameter is 10 centimeter, then what would be the radius? The radius is equal to diameter by 2. So radius will be 5 centimeter, isn't it? Okay, now we will enter into the formula of how to find out the area of the circle. So that now area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Pi r square. Pi, we know that 22 by 7 into r square. R is nothing but 5 centimeter the whole square. Then we will come this side. Okay, look at this side. Here 22 by 7 is as it is there. Then this 5 centimeter whole square I can write 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter twice, isn't it? Then I am going to multiply 5 5s are 25, and then centimeter into centimeter, centimeter the whole square. The next thing, 22 into 25. What is 22 into 25? Try to do it and see in the rough note. 22 into 25 gives 550. So our answer is 550 centimeter the whole square divided by 7. So what will happen when I divide 550 by 7? I have done the rough work, you see, like this. You need not to find out the answer more than 1 decimal. It will proceed, you need not to do. Only 1 decimal is enough. So my answer is 78.5. So we come to the conclusion now. The area of the circle is 78.5 centimeters the whole square, isn't it? Okay, now we need 2 more steps is to do. Copy down it, make it fast. Only 5 seconds only I am going to give. Copy it soon. Okay, students, now we have come to the last step of the problem. So area of the unshaded region is area of the square minus area of the circle. Already we found the answer. Area of the square is 100 centimeters the square. Then area of the circle is 78.5 centimeters square. Then we have to subtract like this. I have done in the rough column. You see 100 minus 78, you will get 21.5 centimeter square. So this is the final answer of this problem. Copy down soon. If there is any doubt, you can ask me through WhatsApp. It's okay. Welcome back, students. Here we can see the assignment of this day. What is the assignment today? Read all the formulas from page number 49. If you bought the book, you can see the page. So much of formulas are there. Area of the square, area of the triangle, area of the trapezium, area of the parallelogram, area of the circle. In that page there is many more formulas. You go through everything, read it. After that, the second one what I gave is exercise number 2.2, third problem. What is the third problem? Is combined figure like this. They are asking us to find out the area of the combined figure. How it is combined? Like this is given. So this is combined like this. That is combined two parallelograms are combined. So if you find the answer for one parallelogram, then we will multiply that answer by 2. So one parallelogram, how it will be? Like this. See, the total height is 6 centimeter. They have given here. So up to this limit, up to this point, it from here to here 3, here to there 3. So height of the parallelogram is 3 centimeter. Then the base is 8 centimeter. Base is 8 centimeter. You look at the formula in the page number 49. It is there. So what is the answer? What is the formula first? Base into height. So base is 8 centimeter. Height is 3 centimeter. So that 3 into 8 are 24. So area of the first parallelogram is 24 centimeter. The area of the second, then we have to multiply by 2 to find out the area of the whole figure. Okay, this is the assignment of this day. I need all of your answer before 8 p.m. today. Enjoy the holidays. Be careful. God will bless all of you. Have a nice day.